it's Anissa and Chris, and today we have for you an amazing product called
Pink Magic.
And this is an all-purpose cleaner that really cleans just about everything.
Pink Magic. You may have heard of the popular cleaning brand called the Pink Stuff. I've actually been using it for years until I received this sample. It's almost identical.
But she likes this better than the others for a couple of reasons. Most of all,
the lid. So the Pink Stuff, mine actually hardened because it's just a snap-on lid. This one is actually a screw top. What's great is we actually give you 3 smaller containers
that actually add up to more ounces than the Pink Stuff tub.
Another benefit of having 3, me personally, I keep 1 small container on each of my levels in my house.
Yeah, because we said you can clean bathrooms, sinks, tubs, showers.
Pink Magic! Sneakers, pots and pans, and even the stovetops.
Now, talking about stovetops, there is a bit of debate, especially when it comes to glass ones. Now, I have a glass stovetop and I've used it, but they don't recommend it because it is an abrasive, so it could scratch. My recommendation is to try it on a small area and see how it does.
You're gonna love cleaning with the Pink Magic just as much as I do. There's no harsh chemicals and it's non-toxic.
Plus, it's got a great smell, a fresh and fruity smell.
Using it is easy. All you're gonna do is put some on your damp cloth, clean the surface, and then polish it off with a microfiber cloth.
Now, I use it a little bit differently. I use a damp rag, but I actually will put water on the surface and wipe it down and then rinse, especially for pots and pans and my stainless steel sink.
That brings up another point. This is a great product to use to polish metals like silver, copper, steel.
You know what? This is a great stain remover, and for grease and grime, they're gone when you use this. Now, the best thing of all is not just our 3-pack, but our super low price.
So head on over to the site and grab your Pink Magic.